Geotechnical investigation services in Indirapuram play a crucial role in the construction industry. These services are essential for understanding the geological and geotechnical conditions of a site before any construction project begins. With the growing demand for real estate in Indirapuram, it is imperative to have accurate and comprehensive geotechnical investigations to ensure the structural integrity and safety of buildings. Geotechnical investigation services in Indirapuram involve a systematic study of the soil, rock, and groundwater conditions of a site. This includes conducting various tests and assessments to determine the soil's strength, composition, and stability. The data obtained from these investigations helps engineers and architects in designing appropriate foundations, slopes, retaining walls, and other structures that can withstand the site's specific conditions. Indirapuram is witnessing rapid urbanization, with numerous high-rise buildings and infrastructure projects being developed. In such scenarios, geotechnical investigation services become even more critical. The soil conditions in Indirapuram can vary significantly from one location to another, making it essential to conduct thorough investigations to understand the site-specific challenges and risks. Geotechnical investigation services in Indirapuram also help in assessing the potential for hazards such as landslides, liquefaction, or sinkholes. By evaluating the subsurface conditions, geotechnical engineers can provide recommendations to mitigate these risks and ensure the safety of both the construction workers and future occupants of the buildings. SCON design is an integral part of geotechnical investigation services in Indirapuram. SCON stands for Soil Conservation and Engineering. It involves analyzing and designing structures that can control erosion, stabilize slopes, and prevent soil degradation. The construction industry greatly benefits from Indirapuram's geotechnical investigation services. Before any building project starts, these services are crucial for knowing the geological and geotechnical features of a site. To maintain the structural integrity and safety of buildings in Indirapuram, given the increasing demand for real estate, accurate and thorough geotechnical investigations are essential. The soil, rock, and groundwater conditions of a site are systematically studied as part of Indirapuram's geotechnical investigation services. This entails doing different tests and evaluations to ascertain the stability, composition, and strength of the soil. Engineers and architects can construct appropriate foundations, slopes, retaining walls, and other structures that can survive the site's unique circumstances with the help of the data collected from these examinations. Rapid urbanization is taking place in Indirapuram, with various high-rise structures and infrastructure projects being built. Geotechnical investigation services are much more necessary in these situations. Since the soil conditions in Indirapuram can vary greatly from one spot to another, it is crucial to do in-depth research to comprehend